Yeah, but there is some hope and for some rain this weekend. We need it.
Okay, October is the second wettest month of the year, but we've had no rainfall this month so far. And it's what, the 17th? It's the 17th. We do have the opportunity for rain tomorrow. Today it stays dry. It's warm for October standards. We make it to a high of 88. We'll see a little cloud cover tomorrow morning. The rain then moves in after 11 until about 5. So it's not a full day rain. And throughout that time frame, it doesn't rain the entire time. So about 30% coverage for us. On Sunday, the temperature starts out at 58 degrees. We make it to a high near 77. I'm talking specifically about tomorrow's rain first. And this is where we have a slight risk for severe weather. That does happen this time of the year. This is not a big risk. It's still considered a low end risk. And it does include Collin, Rockwall, Kaufman, Henderson County towards the northeast. It's a slight level 2 risk. A level 1 for the Metroplex, including Denton County, Portage of Wise, Parker, Hood, Johnson, Hill County towards the east. And this is for the potential of up to 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and up to quarter-size hail. Again, this is not going to be the case for every thunderstorm. It's going to be an isolated threat. Here is a look at our timecast. Tonight, still clear. We're looking at a temperature in the low 80s by the time a lot of those football games start, around 7, and then we'll see a little more cloud cover by tomorrow morning. I'm going to stop the clock at 8, still rain-free for all of North Texas, but you see the cloud cover. Around 11, we start to see this rain moving in along the western third of the area. That's around 11 in the morning, and this does not look severe to me. This looks really scattered in nature. But once this stuff starts moving towards the east, temperatures are going to be climbing just because we just naturally warm throughout the day. And when that happens, these storms will have a little bit better energy to work with to produce that potential for an isolated strong to severe storm. And again, this will be for the eastern third of the area. That's around 2. So by the time this rain makes it into the Metroplex, our atmosphere will already be kind of overworked and a lot of its energy will be gone. So that's why the threat for severe weather is lower for the Metroplex. This is now pushing a lot of this rain around 5 p.m. We start to see drying out for DFW, but still some rain lingering in Kaufman, Ellis, Navarro County towards the east, and then we're completely dry by 7. By 10, it's clear. The bigger threat for severe weather does look to be across areas of Arkansas. That's whenever storms get there, it'll be at peak heating. So that's really when they'll be dealing with the most amount of energy. So that's why the threat is higher east of our area. Today, like I mentioned, is going to be nice. It is going to be warm though. 88 for the high in Dallas, 89 for Fort Worth, Denton, 86 in McKinney. Normal this time of the year is 78, so we're trending 10 degrees warmer than that. Tomorrow, we're going to be 11 degrees warmer than normal. Before that front arrives, that front again brings in the rain, but it also brings the cooler weather in for Sunday. A high of 77 degrees, which is considered normal for this time of the year. 88 then on Monday. That 88 on Monday is 11 degrees warmer than normal, but then we have another front coming in. So we have a series of fronts between now and the end of the month. The next 2 happen within the next 5 days. That front does not bring in any rain, but it does help drop temperatures to the low 80s. It's about 5 degrees warmer than what's considered normal. Now, as far as our normal for this time of the year, again, it's 70s. So we'll be still warmer than that the rest of the month. I'm not seeing any major significant cool downs. The mornings will still be nice and pleasant, but a series of fronts will help occasionally drop our highs into the 70s. Otherwise, it is looking warm, and it's also looking mostly rain-free. Between now and the end of the month, the best opportunity for rain happens tomorrow. So we'll be on the lookout for that. Of course, we can find all of those updates on WFAA+. Make sure to have your mobile app if you are going to be out and about tomorrow. We'll be right back.